If you've decided to cancel your Canva Pro subscription and want to avoid future charges, here's a quick and easy guide to help you through the process. First, log into your Canva account. Make sure you're signed into the account that currently has the active Pro subscription. You can do this by opening Canva in your web browser and entering your login details. Once you're in, head over to your account settings. Click on your profile picture or name in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Next, navigate to the Billing and Plans tab. This section will show you all the details about your current subscription, including payment info and plan status. To cancel your Canva Pro plan, locate your active subscription, then click on the three dots next to it. A menu will appear. Go ahead and click Cancel Plan. You'll be prompted to confirm the cancellation. Canva might ask you to share a reason for leaving, so just follow the steps and confirm when ready. Even after canceling, you'll still have access to Canva Pro features until the end of your current billing period. Once that period ends, your account will automatically switch back to the free Canva plan. And that's it. Canceling Canva Pro is straightforward, and you can always upgrade again in the future if you need those extra features.